Hey guys.
Yeah.
You guys eating your first table food, huh? Peas and bananas. Yeah, doctor said you're big enough to try. Hard to get, huh? There, slippery. What are you doing over here? Are you able to get any? Here, ready? I'll help you. There's your pea. Up. Good job. Okay? And you. Here's your pea. Yay. Good job.